A series of tooltips will be done on feed rate optimization and how we can improve your performance and productivity on the machine. So Toolroom RN35.1 has been in the market for quite some time, or close more than 3 months, and one of the main features to get better cycle time is the feed rate optimization. So this is an option in RN35.1 where you can eliminate your air time and improve your feed rate. So example, in types of taper tools or step tools, etc., where the material removal rate changes, you can optimize it by doing the feed rate. So as a matter of fact, this is an unoptimized tool, and you can see how initially when the wheel comes into contact with the tool, the material removal is less, and as it starts coming into the flutes, the material is more. And the same here, the Q prime as well, where the contact area of the wheel. So we want to optimize this and make it uniform and eliminate air grinding time, and that's how you get a lot of cycle time optimization. And feed rate optimization is the way to move forward, where you can do air only, grinding only, or no optimization when it comes to primary reliefs or where you want to maintain your feed rates. So there are several features in here, and how to set this up will be tooltips for the next 3-4 weeks, where I'll take you through the parameters, how you set it up, how you set the Q prime values based on the wheels, or reverse calculate it, how the aggression factor is set up, and all this will be in the upcoming weeks in tooltips. Thank you.